welcome back to my channel. This is Brittany from Foxborough Vintage or Shop Foxborough on the Poshmark app. I also have a handmade business where I make zipper pouches called the Purple Hedgehog. All that's linked down in the comments below. But today I'm actually here for something a little bit different. So my mom is an artist, and I've taken a fair number of art classes, and I used to do art a lot more regularly. But since, you know, becoming a mom of 2 little boys, I don't have as much time anymore. And my mom wanted to sort of spark that creative interest in me again, and so she ordered me this art box called Paletteful for my birthday. So she was going to get me a 3-month subscription. She wanted to know if I liked it, and I thought that I would do a little unboxing video because it's fun, right? So I am opening it up. I've been doing some watercolors and watercolor postcards, and then just mailing them to people. I haven't been like keeping them or anything, but it's kind of got my creative juices flowing a little bit, so I think that's what inspired her. Nice fluff I will probably reuse. Oh, the first thing we've got is a Wolf's Carbon pencil. So it's like a black, it looks like a charcoal pencil because it's very black. And there's 3 of these. So it looks like charcoal, but it's Wolf's Carbon, so I'm going to guess that it is carbon. And there's a B, a 6B, and a 4B. I don't know. Honestly, I don't know what the difference between those would be, but cool. Mess with that. It's got some artist erasers, plastic eraser, and I'm actually gonna tell you a little reseller tip if you're here for my reselling business as well, or not. Maybe you just, you know, this will be useful for anyone. If you have suede shoes and they're dirty, and you take these white erasers, you can actually erase the dirt off of the shoes without hurting the suede. So I have an eraser for that. I'm not going to use this for that, but if you do need to clean some suede, a white eraser. And this is another eraser. I think this is a malleable eraser. Yeah, a kneaded eraser. So basically, if you need to erase something like really fine tip, you can like mold it, you can roll it, so you can just get the smallest bit. And these are great because you can clear away dirty spots by like kneading it into the eraser. Staedtler art eraser, and it's like a black color. And I don't know if this will erase like pastels or something. I'll have to look up what that does. You get a little Paletteful pack pencil pouch. Obviously, I make pencil pouches, so I don't know if I'll use this or not, but it's kind of fun. It's like a green felt pouch. Oh, I got another one of these Wolf's Carbon pencils. This is a 2B. So this one says paper, glass, plastic, metal. So I'm assuming that with this pencil you can write on glass and plastic, which is pretty cool. Maybe if you want to like trace something you're gonna paint, that's really neat. General's Layout Extra Black. So this is just like maybe a really dark pencil. And then this one is General's Drafting. Old brown pencil, I think. I don't know. I have to play with these. I haven't been to an art store or looked at art supplies in forever, so let's see. Stumps. So these are used for blending, like if you blend charcoal or pastels. Or you can use them with acrylic paint too, like kind of pushing stuff out of the way, but then they get a little bit messier. This is a woodless pencil set. That's interesting. I'm assuming they're all different shades because they have different numbers on the bottom. Yeah, it includes 6 graphite pencils in 3 soft grades, 2B, 4B, 6B. Cool. And honestly, if I can get this out, there we go. Is a stipple texture paper. So if you don't know what stipple is. It's like stippling art where you make the art with lots of tiny dots, like fine dots. And you do it in like all kinds of different shades. And this paper, if you lift it up, if you lift up the cover, you're probably not going to be able to see the texture on this, but I'll try and show you. It is like a very tiny dotted paper. So that'll be interesting to play with. And maybe in some of my future videos, I will show you some of the probably not very good artwork that I've done. But hey, it's all about being creative, and it doesn't have to be good as long as you're making art. Yeah, and then there's this little pack. There's a little sheet that tells you everything that you got inside. And this month is Pencil Palooza. So that would be why I got so many pencils. Alright, well cool. I'll just have to play with this and see how it's going. And she told me about this as well. There's a prompt, there's like prompts on the back, so it's also to like inspire you to do art by giving you like ideas, I guess. So you can join like social media, you can follow the hashtags, Paletteful prompted Paletteful packs, and see what other people are putting up. So this week is week 4, and the inspiration is going to be summer. So maybe I'll do something with that and post it on Instagram. Alright, well, that's all I got for today. So thanks so much for watching. Bye!